Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Elementor Pro and a child theme are active. This is non-negotiable. Open Theme Builder and add a new template for header or site layout. Once done, choose a canvas or default and assign display conditions to target the entire site or specific pages. Make sure to import your logo and set global fonts and colors now, because consistent design settings speed everything up and reduce revision cycles as you build the rest of the site. Now you design the header, hero, and footer templates using sections and responsive controls so the site adapts across devices. Add dynamic widgets like site logo, post title, post content, and archive loop grid to pull CMS data automatically. Once built, refine spacing and motion with padding, margins, and entrance animations. These choices affect perceived speed and hierarchy. Make sure to test preview for logged out users versus editors, because display conditions and user roles can change what's visible. Finish by publishing each template and setting clear display rules and priorities so templates don't conflict. Once published, clear caches, regenerate CSS, and test across desktop, tablet, and mobile to confirm responsiveness. Make sure to view several post types and archive pages to verify dynamic fields populate correctly. If something breaks, disable suspect plugins, revert to a saved revision, or check for PHP errors. This single troubleshooting step solves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.